All right, so we're just going to work a little bit more with Booleans this time. So instead of calling it is passing, I'm going to actually highlight it, right-click, and click rename. This is called refactoring. So I'm going to say is failing now. So, oops, failing. Sorry, my A key wasn't working. And so now, if it's less than 40% or 60%, we're going to set is failing to true. And so now, what do we want to do down here? Well, this is all kind of changed now so that it reads correctly. So we have this grade percent generated at random. We have the Boolean is failing set based on that grade percentage on line 8. And then we have our if statements. So now we say if is failing, text congrats. Well, that's the opposite of what we want. So we can use this different symbol, this exclamation point, to say not. So if is failing does not equal true, then print this, else print this. So if it's not true that they're failing, then print congratulations or print summer school. And this will have the same effect as before. This not symbol is very useful. Summer school. I suppose I should output the value of is failing so that you can see it. Text is failing equals plus is failing, comma 20 and 260 below the other thing. So you can see that in fact it's behaving as I want it to behave. As this loads, ho hum. Come on, man, load the program. It's taking too long. There we go. So is failing equals true, summer school. So you can see these things are working as expected. Well, there's a shorthand to this way, just like we did before. So is failing, the reason we name these things to indicate their purpose, it's really important because it reads easily. So if is failing, text congrats? No. If not is failing, text congrats. So this symbol, exclamation point, just means the opposite of. So if it's on, it's off. If it's off, it's on, right? It just flips the value. So if they're not failing, right? If the value of is failing is false, then type congrats. So if is failing is not true, type congrats, and otherwise to output summer school. So we'll see that this also works in the same way that the does not equal symbol works. So summer school is failing equals true. Great. All right, and let's try it one more time just so we can be sure that I'm not lying to you about this. Let's see if we can generate the other choice. Congrats, is failing equals false. Correct. Okay. So that is performing as we expect it to perform. This not symbol is highly useful and critical, like all these basic building blocks, to understand. So go ahead and play around with that until you understand it.